Look at this Ramen Nagi's limited Gyuking Bolsiko beef. And this is how you can try this at 50% off. It looks so good, no? And after trying this, talagang masarap siya. Kaso lang, medyo pricey. Kaya naman, ginamit ko ulit ang Eatigo, ang aking trusted app for discounts. Usually, sa Robinson's Galleria kami nakakuha ng discount at 11 a.m. weekday slot. Alam nyo ba, madalas sold out itong Yuking Bolsiko beef, kaya first time lang namin ito matatry. Tamang-tama kasi I don't usually eat breakfast, kaya gutom na ako at 11 a.m. Grabe itong Bolsiko beef, ang rich, tender, and alam mong maganda yung quality talaga ng beef. Kaya nila binalik itong limited edition na to kasi most requested daw to ng customers nila. If you want this well done, pwede mo siyang i-dip dun sa hot soup para mas maluto pa yung beef. Thinly slice yung beef na ang lambot-lambot. Actually, parang mas preferred ko to kaysa sa mga fatty pork na nilalagay sa ramen. The soup is rich, silky, savory, and mas na-enhance pa siya ng beef oil. Iba yung flavor ng broth niya sa classic butaw. Mas masarap to. One lang yung spice level na pinili ko and saktong-sakto lang yung spice niya for me. Very comforting and hindi overpowering yung broth. Sa noodles naman, I chose extra firm. Mas okay siya for me. This was a very indulgent ramen experience for me. Syempre, nagpa-add ako ng tamago para complete yung experience. Sino nakatry na nito and nasarapan ba kayo?